Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make money on YouTube without making videos. This is a new method for 2021. I'm going to show you a couple of channels that are making money without making any video, and there's three different methods that these channels are using it. I will explain you how you can do that and how you can make money out of it. Before that, I make videos on money making, money saving tutorial. I try to upload one video every day, and also if you watch the video until the end, that you can win £10 PayPal money. There's a new giveaway is going around. I will announce how you can enter for that in the end of the video, so watch the video until the end. This is the first channel. It's called Reaction Matters. What basically they do is they are making a reaction videos. Basically they download a bunch of videos from online, or people are submitting these videos for their channels, because their channels is a little bit big now, and they have over 507 videos, but this channel is here for more than 3 years. So if you click one of these videos, let's see, they do a voice commentary for 10 seconds for 1 minute clip, and they say they play the video. So there's a voice commentary for the video that you see. Advertisement is playing on the video. Mute that because we don't want the copyright strike. So you can see advertisement is playing on that video, and if you click skip ad, and let's see the video. See, they just talk about for 10 seconds, and let's play the video, and after that they repeat that for a couple of clips to make over 9 minutes long. See, they do the reaction for this video without showing the face, just voice only. As you can see from here, the social blade numbers that you can see, they are making roughly around 25 to 30 grand per month, and you can see yearly they make around 250,000, 250,000, something like that. You can see their channel is still getting over 1,000 subscribers and 250,000 views roughly per day, guys. So this is a big channel, so you can't compare yourself with these big channels, because I'm going to show a couple other small channels. They're doing the same thing. If we go to this one, this channel is called the Allrounder. Basically they do the same thing. They have around 158 videos, but they don't do voiceover, just they put the text on the voiceover. So, okay, they put the text on the voiceover. They don't do any voiceover for these channels. And if you can see the social blade numbers, that you can see they're roughly making between 10 to 15 grand per month, guys. And again, they are making roughly they're getting roughly 200,000 to 220,000 views, and 1K subscribers in 1 day, guys. That you can see their channels is quite a bit slower in the beginning, but it's one or two or couple of videos went viral, then again the views going up. 15 million views, guys, 15 million views, and the subscribers also going up. So that's why the channels have around 280,000 subscribers, but this is from a couple of months ago because of some viral videos. Again, see, this channel is fairly new channels. It's all around 6 months ago. This is an old channel, but they are started to upload videos around 6 months ago, and you can see this video went viral in the first video, and second video is not that, and third video is the important one that you can see 7.3 million views, guys. So they did the follow-up video, and again that video went viral, 4.6 million. So after that, the video, next video didn't go viral, but again the other video went viral, then a couple of videos don't go viral, then this video went viral, so something like that. That's why you can see their social blade number. There's a quite dead for a while, then there's a big graph, guys. You can see 16 million views and around 34 to around 55 subscribers in a couple of days, because some of the video went viral. So basically what these channels is do, they don't actually do voiceovers or put the text, they edit the video. So download a couple of video, they edit, basically they're adding loop or some voice or music into that, and they upload it, and they make money from ad revenue. Again, you are not guaranteed your videos went viral, but you have to keep doing it. That's why I'm testing with one of my channels. Here is I upload a TikTok compilation here, then I delete all of them, and see, this is the first video uploaded on TikTok compilation. It didn't get any views, but this is the second video I upload about asking people about how they earn money, how they live, how they avoid big costs. So there's a trend going on TikTok, so I upload that. Again, I can copyright claim because of the video, I mean the music on that, but again you can see it's able to get 29 views and 6 likes from it. So again, you try something out to get to know which is working or not, then you can do a follow-up video to that to make those videos go viral. So basically what you have to do is you need to download a bunch of clips like these channels do and do voiceover. You can do a voiceover simply. You don't have to show your face. You can say what this guy is doing or how they feel like, something like that. All right, so what you have to do, you need to go to online, download this software called Audacity. It is free to download that. You can record your voice and put it on and the video editing software, which is OpenShot, which is also free. So you need to download the video, put your voice over, and you can remove the background music on that video. You can add your own if you want, and again a completely new video. But you have to remember this one, guys, it doesn't have to be in English. You don't have to record your voice in English. You can target your own country. If you are making videos in India, target your own subscribers on India, so you can get more subscribers from that. You can evaluate your channels in the future, first grow your channels, and you can make money out of it from that, guys. So you need to have Audacity and OpenShot to do that. So what you have to do now, you need to download a bunch of videos. You can go to YouTube and download Creative Commons videos and you can edit that, or you can go to Facebook and type a try not laugh. There's a couple of videos people are uploading and they have pages and group, so click open that videos. And what you have to do now, and you need to install this Google Chrome extension. This one is called Flash Video Downloader, which is going to pull the video from Facebook and you can download it in your computer very fast. You don't have to do copy and paste, something like that. And you can get this clip from TikTok, Instagram, and you can do compilation video. Again, 8 minutes long videos is enough for monetization, so you can make 8 to 9 minutes video long. If there's a 1 minute clip, that you only need 8 to 9 clips in order to make that. Just do a simple voiceover. For each clip you can do 10-second voiceover, or you can do a little bit editing on that if you are good at editing, and you can make out of it. And one more thing, guys, find a video clip that are trending on that. So you can find a meme that is trending, or the game is trending, or go to TikTok and see what is trending. Get those videos and create a thumbnail like this one. Okay, these thumbnails are looking weird, but it's getting click. So you can see this one is around nearly gonna get 1 million views. And if you go down to bottom, this is the one is different thumbnail, but it got 7.3 million views, guys. So create different thumbnail and again keep uploading. Look at those channels here. There's no videos. They upload someone else video, some videos, something else, because it's for 6 month above period. And you can see they're only getting 100 views, 200 views, 67 views. But after that, from 6 months ago, from here, this is the first video they uploaded. From that to now, they're uploading videos every single week or maybe month, and you can see they're consistent about it, and they are targeting a trending memes and try not laugh challenge or something like that. And you can see the views are gone up. And when you reach the requirement 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch time, and you can eligible for monetization, guys. So you need to add your own unique pattern on that video in order to qualify for monetization. Again, after that, when your channel start to go up, you can make money out of from affiliate marketing, print on demand, something like that in the future. But again, spend a 1 hour of your time every single day, come up with this clip and upload it in YouTube. Again, it won't require any time, need any investment, and this method work worldwide, guys. I hope, guys, you understand. Again, and if you want to win 10 pound PayPal money, there's a giveaway is happening at the moment right now. So go to the description, click the first link, put your email address, and you can win 10 pound PayPal money, guys. Under that, have a good day. See you in next video, guys.